Hey guys, welcome to our next tutorial. Oops. So here we are majorly cover 15 major concepts: data hiding, abstraction, encapsulation. Tightly encapsulation class is a has a relationship, method signature, overloading, overriding, static control flow, instance control flow, constructor, coupling, cohesion, and typecasting. So these are the 15 main topics we can say comes inside OOPS. All right, object oriented programming. All right. So first one is data hiding. So what is data hiding? So outside person can't access your internal data directly. All right, or our internal data should not go outside directly. So this concept we called it as a data hiding. Okay, so after validation, only a person is allowed to access your internal data. So the best example is your email access. So whether you have Yahoo or Gmail or Outlook, so can anybody can access your Gmail account or Yahoo account directly? No, they need to enter username and password, and even if they enter username and password but with a different desktop machine or your different mobile, then they also go to the second security check, that is the mobile number verification, right? And after that only a person is able to enter into your inbox information. All right, so this is the data hiding. The main advantage of data hiding is security. Okay, and how we can achieve it using Java to make the variable as private. All right, so this is important. So modifier for a variable should be private. So this is nothing but data hiding. So next topic is abstraction. Abstraction is what? When we are hiding internal implementation and just highlighting this set of services which we are offering is the concept of abstraction. So for example, when we go to any ATM machine, then you can see a set of services which they are offering, like to withdraw cash, okay, fast cash, similarly, a balance. So like that, there are a lot of services they are offering. But do you know what are the internal implementation of that? No, you are just doing that manually, right, from the GUI, and then it will serve you all the services they promise to give you. But the implementation, internal implementation is hide. All right, so this is what we called as abstraction. So the main advantages of abstraction are: first one is security. So we can achieve security because we are not highlighting our internal implementation. Then easy enhancement. So without affecting outside person, we can able to perform any type of changes in our internal system, and hence enhancement will become very easy. Now an example is when in India currency changed. All right, 2000 note comes. So do every bank changes their ATM? No, they just change their internal implementation. That's it. So it is easy to enhance. Third one is maintainability. So it improves maintainability of the application. And then easiness is to use our system. So it make very easy to use the system. All right. So now how we can implement abstraction? By using interfaces and abstraction classes, we can implement abstraction. So we can cover all these things practically as well. Now the next concept is encapsulation. All right. So the process of binding data and corresponding method into a single unit. Okay, we called it as encapsulation. So for example, we have a class student in which we have data members and methods like student name, mobile number. All right. So this is called as an encapsulation. Now if any component follows the data hiding and the abstraction, such type of component is said to be encapsulated component. So what is encapsulated component? Where we are using the data hiding and the abstraction concept. So data hiding where we are actually making the modifier, all right, as private. So suppose for a class student, okay, we don't want to relieve their marks, so we make it less private int marks, all right. And abstraction, as we know that we are hiding the internal implementation, so both, if we are adding that, then it will become encapsulated component. So encapsulation is data hiding plus abstraction. So here is the example where we have a class account where we have private, means we have the data hiding, double balance, and now here we can see public double get balance. So here we are doing the validation before showing any kind of balance. We are making sure, like, we are allowing this person to show the balance. So we are here actually making the validation, like username, password, or mobile OTP authentication. So this is what we discuss in data hiding, all right. And this is the set balance. So this is an example of encapsulation. So this is a class where we have data members and we have methods defined, all right. Now what are the advantages of encapsulation? Is it achieves security because we have data hiding into it. Okay, enhancement become easy because it also contains the abstraction, and maintainability of the application will improve, all right. The main disadvantage of encapsulation is it increases length of the code, all right, and slow down the execution. Now the fourth one is tightly encapsulated classes. So what are those? So a class is said to be tightly encapsulated if and only if each and every variable declared as private. Okay. So whether class contains corresponding getter setter methods or not. Okay. So basically every encapsulated class is tightly coupled only when we have all the members declared as private. So we need to just remember this. So hopefully you understand the four topics: data hiding, abstraction, encapsulation, and tightly encapsulation class. All right, we will cover is a and has a relationship that is a part of inheritance in our next session. Thank you.